last night. One of our dark bucks has been on camera very frequently. He daylighted on Monday. He's been on camera probably 3 or 4 times every night. So unfortunately we got a bunch of rain, and the piece of the property that he's on is probably flooded. I don't hunt down there that much, and there's one old tree stand down there that I gotta find, and I'm gonna sit in it, possibly tonight. But with all the rain we've got, it could be flooded, so this morning we're running up above in the ag fields. The same group of does that he's been with frequents this food plot, so there's still a good chance he could come up here, but we're gonna go check out that river bottom property midday, and if we can hunt it, we'll probably sit there. Otherwise, we're gonna come back up here. I'm back on town this afternoon. I decided to come out to the box blind, looking over the big alfalfa field. I sat here quite a bit in early season and saw a good amount of deer. My original plan was to come out this big buck that daylighted on Monday. And we've had him on camera pretty much every night for the last week. We get 3 pictures of him a night. So he's definitely living in this small little part of the property. But unfortunately we got 6 inches of rain last night. And that property is now flooded. They opened the dam this morning, and there's probably 2 feet of water down there, and it's still rising. So that means that they'll probably push the buck back up out of the higher ground up here. So I'm thinking this is the first spot we'll be able to see him. So it's kind of observation sit tonight, but maybe we'll lay eyes on him. Well, I just made it back to the cabin. We ended up having a very eventful hunt. I saw 12 deer total. I think it was 3 smaller bucks, bunch of does and fawns, and then right at the end, I had one nice buck come out all the way on the other end of the alfalfa field. And he was chasing a doe across the field. He came probably within 60 yards of the blind. They just kind of ran through, and the chase continued in the woods, but not quite sure what buck it was. It could have been the buck we were after, but I just looked at the footage. It's kind of hard to tell.
the big buck that we were after was spending a lot of time down by the river, but since we just got 6 inches of rain over the past 2 days, that whole area is pretty much flooded. A lot of those deer have been pushed up onto the main part of the property, so should make it easier to find them this weekend. Hopefully we can knock one down.